Trump revives push to end quarterly earning reports, urges semi-annual disclosure. Former US President Donald Trump has reignited calls to overhaul America's corporate reporting framework, advocating that public companies should move from quarterly to semi-annual earnings disclosure. In a Truth Social post on Monday, Trump argued that such a change would reduce compliance costs and allow executives to concentrate on long-term strategic management rather than short-term performance cycle. The proposal, if approved by the Securities and Exchange Commission, would mark a profound departure from current rules requiring corporations to file financial statements every 90 days. It would also bring US practices closer to those in the United Kingdom and much of the European Union. Trump's stance echoes a long-standing debate in American businesses circle. In 2018, financial heavyweights Dimon and Warren Buffett co-authored a Wall Street Journal op-ed asserting that short-termism was stifling sustainable growth in the US economy. Trump, during his first term, pressed the SEC to explore semi-annual reporting. Though the effort failed to gain momentum at the time, critics warned that lengthening the reporting cycle could reduce transparency and increase market volatility, undermining investor confidence. Waiting longer for financial data risks eroding one of the fundamental advantages of US equities, their transparency, said analysts in response to Trump's renewed call. Others, however, see potential benefits. Burns McKinney, managing director at NFJ Investment Group, noted that quarterly earning pressure often drives executives towards short-sighted decisions. We would prefer management keep their eye on the long-term ball. He said similarly. Eric Gubay, chief investment officer at North Star Investment Management, argued that quarterly filings consume substantial corporate bandwidth with little change in financial outlook from one quarter to the next. US companies did not always report quarterly. The SEC mandated the shift from semi-annual to quarterly disclosure in 1970. Since then, quarterly reporting has been credited with contributing to the higher valuation of US stock relative to global market. The S&P 500 index, for example, currently trade at 24.3 times earning projection for the next year, well above Europe's stocks 600 at 15.28 times. The SEC has yet to respond to Trump's latest proposal, but the debate underscores the deeper tension in US capitalism, where the transparency and market discipline should outweigh the desire to free corporate leaders from the grip to quarterly expectations.